Okay, so this is the new lathe. This is the first video. Just going to go over a few things so I know what's going on. So we've got a 3-jaw chuck, spindle, the pulley. The pulley is engaged by that. You can use this to gear down. That needs to come in like that. This oil holder, oil cap, had wick inside of it, while this one didn't have anything inside it. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I was going to say that looks like a grease nipple, but it's not. But when you turn it, it goes down and you can see that the oil is leaking out, which leads me to think the bearings need tightening up. On that side bearing, we've got a screw. This, not sure what that is. I'm going to assume it's a set screw. There's a similar one on that side, so that'll be fun to take apart. This side has some weird thing. I don't know what it is. Never seen one before. That bolt I do not think is original. Can definitely come out. These gears are fused. Well, not fused. They're not moving. But these will be the drive gears to change the drive speed. If this is a Hudson lathe, I don't know, can't remember the name, then there should be some numbers on them to say how many gears they've got. Add to that, we've got this, which looks to be made of aluminium. I think someone possibly cast it. I'm not sure. It does have a bronze bushing, but this is the drive gear. So we're not going to get a drive feed until this gear is resolved and these two other sets are fixed. We've got an oil port there. The drive gear, interestingly enough, sorry, the drive gear, we'll just call it don't know the name. Interestingly enough, looks like this model had the option of an internal thread, and that one's not internal. We've then got some sort of butt on here, which is no idea. We'll have to investigate. There is no throughput for it, so it goes in and then there is nowhere for it to go out. Maybe there, maybe, don't know. Okay, quickly going over the lathe further. The cross and the compound look to be homemade. This looks like angle iron, which I would be very surprised if they used. The thread, whatever, that's there. There is no numbers on it. So what the hell? Quite possible that that is an add-on. And I think they're going to be oil ports. Yep, they're going to be oil ports. Right, the tailstock looks original. The live center is not very live. Yeah, that's about it. Everything sort of moves all right, apart from those gears. Okay, let's go.